Hello and welcome. I have decided to make a full complete web design and development course for free for the channel. So this is the first video and this is the introduction video what we are going to discuss. If you want to become a full stack developer or web designer or web developer, so this video series is going to be for you. It is going to be about, I don't know how long it will take to complete the course, but I will upload 3 to 4 video every week to starting from web designing and then web development, and then I will teach you all the modern JavaScript framework like Vue, React, Angular, all of them. I will do step by step because I have made a few video for the channel and I thought these are a bit advanced. I want to make the channel so everybody can, when they come to the channel, they should find everything about web design and development. So I will try to make everything as simple as possible and fun for you. If you are following me on the channel, if you have not subscribed, feel free to subscribe because it will cost you nothing, but it means a lot to me when you subscribe, when you comment and share your idea. So I hope this journey is going to be something informative for you and you will learn a lot. In this video I will explain you what is web design, what is web development, all of those things. If you are completely new to the world of web design, the programming, all of these things, this video I will explain everything to you. When you want to become a web developer or as a computer science student, if you are going to university or college, they will teach you computer science. In computer science, one of this the branch, I think some people go and learn networking and IT. The other part is computer science. In computer science you go basically and learn programming. In programming there are different parts. This is not only one part that you should go and you will become programmer, and of course you cannot learn all parts too. Here are the basic thing I will teach you here. First of all, there are 5 categories that you can go and master on one of them. You cannot learn all of them. You can, but you don't need to do all of them. Here is the first thing. Either you become a web developer or web designer. One of them would be fine, but most people learn both of them. They will become full stack developer. If you know, if you are a web developer and designer, you are called full stack developer. The other thing is desktop developer. Desktop developers are the people who develop application for desktop. As you know, if you know Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Office, all of them, they are developed by desktop developers. The other one is chip developer, which I think this is something new, maybe not new, it is something old, but in future you will become a robot programmer. If you like to develop something like artificial intelligence, you must learn, you should go to the chip development, become a chip developer or programmer. Chip is basically you are dealing with the hardware. You write code that run directly on the chip or the CPU of any system, whether that is computer, that is a robot, that is a mobile, or any other things. That is chip. The 4th category is mobile development. Of course you know a lot of mobile application and the market is also good, but not as good as the web, because nowadays everybody need a website, but everybody do not need any mobile application like that. That's why web designer and web developer, the market is a lot better than the mobile. I will talk about the market too in the future and in this video also. The other one is game development. Of course game development, most people play game. This is not a separate category. If you are a good mobile developer or desktop developer, you can develop game too, but all of these categories, they have different programming languages. If you want to become a desktop developer, you should learn the languages like C#, Visual Basic, like Java or something like that. But if you want to become a web developer, you should learn different programming languages. Mobile different, chip is different, and game development is different. But so in this course I will teach you about web design and development. First we will start from web design, then we will go to web development. All of the things you need to know I will cover in the video. So the first thing you need to know about web design is in the web design we will learn about HTML, then we will HTML, then we will learn about CSS, then we will learn about JavaScript, then we will go to some advanced JavaScript and some advanced application we will learn. So that will be a lot of things we will learn. So I hope it will be a very interesting and fun topic, and you should find a job after you complete the course, and I will help you how you find job online, how you do freelancing. All of those things I will teach on the channel. So this is what we are going to learn. First web designing, then web development. In web designing we will learn about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Of course JavaScript part is a little bit hard because it will take most of our time. I will teach you about Vue, about React.js, about jQuery, all of the things. If you don't know about any of those topics yet, that's okay, just follow the video and you will learn all of them. Then when we go to the web development part, we will learn about PHP, then we will learn about MySQL. If you have ever heard about this thing, of course you did. Then MySQL, then we will learn about Laravel. Laravel is a PHP framework which I have quite a few videos on the channel, but I will teach you about Laravel and everything you need to know. And all of this is going to be free on the channel, on the Code Inspire channel, so you can subscribe. As I said, it will cost you nothing, but it means a lot to me if you subscribe. So here is the channel name. I will teach you everything here. So in this video, as I said, this was just an introduction to computer science and which categories you need to take to become a developer. So for web development, first thing HTML, CSS, then JavaScript. The first thing you should know is about W3 School. W3 School is the website every web designer must know. Not a designer, every programmer should know. This is the website that most developers start using, and they start self-studying because this is the best resource and this is the simplest language they use there to teach you about web design and development. First thing, they start from HTML, then CSS, then W3, CSS, colors, bootstrap, and all of these things. I will cover all of them on video, but if you wanna start learning by yourself, you should come here to w3schools.com and start learning from here. In the next video we will teach you how you can set up your text editor and all of these things. As you can see, here are the sidebar. They will teach you, but I will not go directly like them, the way they teach, but I will do the way I will teach you. So thank you for watching, and the next video I will see you.